Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
From J of Certified Kapamilya ito.
Worst alibi.
Tapos ano daw, how did you respond?
Worst alibi. Ang sagot na, hindi ko alam. Yeah, that's super worst. Ba't mo ginawa kung hindi mo alam? Tapos pag yung responded is, yung sagot ko ay, wala, hindi ko na kinausap yung tao. Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka hindi ko alam. Di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na. Bakit ko naman yung Hindi ba dapat?
Okay. Ngayon naman, kay Sam, by the way, very great performance.
Thank you.
Ano ang sagot mo sa what
Yes.
was the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life, and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've heard an alibi na parang, wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry. I know that's...
Okay lang.
Pero wala akong maisip eh.
Mag-sorry ka kay J of Certified.
Jay, I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay. I feel like I haven't been in a position that, yeah. So
Okay.
sorry.
Thank you so much. Gaya naman for Sophia, from J of Certified Kapamilya again. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or hulihin ang lie behind the alibi? Wait, isa pa. Sorry. Para tayo na-confused. Alin sa tingin mo ang mas mahirap gawin? Ang gumawa ng alibi or huliin ang lie behind the alibi? Toray ni J of Certified
Twister.
Mas mahirap siya.
Marami tayong naririnig.
Kasi nangalingan yun eh. Mararamdaman ng tao yun kapag nagsisinungaling ka. You'll feel it. I think for me, mas mahirap yung gumawa ng alibi.
Alright. Diba?
Oh,
Ang naging alay ng class na ito, diba?
Parang bugtong yun di ba? Tough questions. I mean, simple questions but tough to answer. But thank you, Kim, Sam, and Sophia for that. Ngayon naman, punta kay Mr. John Arcilia. Mula po sa social media. Just based off the trailer alone, it seems as if you'll be portraying another remarkable role. How is your character this time around? And what is it like? Please do elaborate to be paired with Miss Shasha for this show.
Well, I'm really very lucky kasi karaniwan napaka-lawak nung character na binibigay sa akin. I'm so really thankful dahil na-assign sa akin yung mga ganun. Ang sarap niyang paglaruan. Tsaka at the same time, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Siguro, kapareho, wait, mahaba ito eh. Ito na lang. Sobrang magmahal si Arthur Cabrera. And sobra siyang mag-protect sa kanyang family. And sabi ko nga, gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect lahat ng mahal niya sa buhay. At yun ang kanyang naging tragic flaw. Yung mismong kanyang, yung kanyang lakas or yung strength niya, ang kanyang naging tragic flaw at the same time. Kasi napunta siya doon sa dark side dahil sa kanyang mga decisions to protect all his loved ones. Ang pinaka-core actually ng kanyang character is yung pagmamahal niya sa wife. Na sobrang-sobra, gagawin niya ang lahat, and then nung magkaanak siya, naging extension niya ng sarili niya at saka ng kanyang relationship sa wife. Yung pagmamahal na yun. And gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect sila. Doon nagsimula yung kanyang crisis. O yung kanyang pagbagsak. So yun siguro yung kaibahan niya doon sa ibang ginawa.
Maraming salamat, Sir John. Diba? Palakpakan naman natin ang nag-iisang John Garcia.
At saka actually, alam mo yung si Shasha kasi, ang sarap kasi niyang kasama sa eksena. Alam mo yung, she's naturally, look at her, naturally diva, di ba? Yung elegante. Pero napaka bubbly sa sa behind the scenes, sobrang magkukwento ng lahat ng bagay na kaya niya kwento. Hindi mo maiisip na si Yashi Padilla ganun kakalo, ganun ka. Lahat ng kukwento niya. So sobrang saya kasi yung rapport ninyo na tatrabaho na hindi niyo pinipilit, hindi puwersa. So nakakagaan ng loob para magawa niyo yung lahat ng requirements sa isang eksena na hindi niyo pinipilit ng isa't isa. So, thank you for that also.
No, it's just really inspiring how hearing you talk about your co-actors and wala, fangirl. Anyway, next question. It's a social media question to Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different, and what made you say yes to this project?
Wala nga ako kanina. Joke. Hindi, I always choose to work with people that I have worked with before, mixed with people I have not worked with before. Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pagka television series, you work long hours. You work for so long. And if you're not going to enjoy the work, if you're not going to be working with like-minded people, it's difficult. So when you get the chance to meet new people at work, and then still at the same time work with the people you've worked with before that you really enjoyed, bonus yun. The fact that people say na I've been around other projects that are so successful, it's also because of the people I work with. Diba? So, Dreamscape is there. I mean, the directors I've worked with before. Si Direk Onat kasama ko sa High Street. Si Direk Jojo, I've worked with her before also. Kim Pa, I've worked with them before. This is my second time working with them. And when I heard that it's them, sabi ko, tara, game. Diba? And then the others, so it's a given. If you're working with the right people, you're working with people you can talk to, be comfortable with, and create with, sobrang dali ng trabaho, kahit mahirap siya.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ngayon naman po, pumunta naman po tayo to a question from Hannah Mallorca from Inquirer para naman kay Kim and Pao.